Comes in a 1U rack mount case. Has 4 SFP ports.
Oke, kita beri sambutan dulu untuk Mr. Paul Jakunis. Oke, silakan. Tuh, apa bahasa Inggrisnya ini?
Status, traffic graphs, or provide
Please,
access
go
to
ahead.
simple configuration options. The device has 2 SODIMM slots. By default, it is shipped with 4
Ini jauh-jauh dari Latvia untuk menemui teman-teman yang ada di Indonesia.
16 gigabytes or more. We manufacture the Cloud Core router in Europe to meet the highest quality standards. The Cloud Core router is powered by Router OS, a fully featured routing operating system which has been continuously improved for 15 years. Dynamic routing, hotspot, firewall, MPLS, VPN, advanced quality of service.
I guess we can slowly start this event. First of all, thank you all for coming to this MikroTik event. My name is Pauls. I'm from MikroTik support, and I will introduce about what is MikroTik, what we are, and what we do. So. Most of you already know what is MikroTik, but for those who don't, the MikroTik creates networks. We create hardware and we create software. And MikroTik itself was founded in 1996, so 22 years ago. And the first router's version was released in 1997. After 5 years, we released our first hardware. It was Routerboard 230. And at the same time, the MikroTik community grew very fast, very rapidly. And our users wanted to meet, to learn from each other, to share the knowledge. And that was the reason why we started to create these MikroTik user meetings. The first one was held in Czech Republic. It was in 2006. And this event was very successful. Everybody liked it. And from that time, we are still organizing these events all around the world. And of course, Indonesia is a record-breaking country. Every year we have biggest events here in Indonesia. Last year we have had 3,100, more than 3,100 people. And for now it seems that this year MAM event will be even bigger. So. So yeah, thank you about that. And in each year we make many MikroTik user meetings. And last year we had 25 MikroTik user meetings. So about our country, the MikroTik is located in Latvia. There's our main office. Latvia is a country in the European Union. Between the Baltic states, in the middle of Baltic states. So very nice, very beautiful country. If you ever go to Europe, you're always welcome to visit our country. So, about our products. We have 4 basic fields, what we do. First of all, this is routers. Routers is advanced routing operating system which had been developed for more than 20 years. It has many advanced features like in firewall, queues, traffic control, VPN, and many, many more. And our developers have developed this operating system for more than 20 years, and they are still doing it. Also, we have different kind of hardware, starting from small home routers, small home wireless routers, Ethernet routers, small office routers, and also industrial-grade wireless systems and the industrial-grade Ethernet routers. Also, we have very big switch line. We have CRS, which is a cloud router switch. And this means that this is a switch with main operating system routers. So with switching, you can also do many advanced layer 3 things. So all the same features as on regular routers devices. And also for users who are new and also don't need very advanced switching features, you can choose CSS, which is Cloud Switch Series. It has a different operating system, which is called SWOS. And this operating system is made to be very simple and very user-friendly. So, about these MikroTik user meetings, so far we have made more than 180 user meetings all around the world and in many, many countries. And here in this event, you can find MikroTik CTO, Arnis Rieksniņš. At the moment, I don't see him in this hall. Oh, he's at the back. Also, if you have any questions about the sales, distribution, or even training, you can find Edmunds Aparants. He's now at the registration table. If you have technical questions, you can find my colleague Arturs Cīrulis. He's also at the registration table. And if you have any technical questions, you can also come and ask me. So, we will have 2 halls. This will be the main hall. Presentations will be for both days, starting at 9 o'clock. The lunch will be served at 12 for those who have lunch tickets. And we'll continue with presentations at 1:30. And after this event, we will have a lottery, and everybody will participate in this lottery. But the rule is that you need to be here. So, and we will also have the second hall, which will be at the back. There will be separated by the wall, and this will be called the breakout hall. And also, if you need wireless, you can use this SSID. It's open without password. And in case if you have some colleagues or friends who wasn't able to come, you can send them this link, because we are live streaming this event at our YouTube channel. And of course, we need to say a big thank you to Valens Riadi, Citreweb and Citranet for helping to organize this MikroTik user meeting. And about some of the products who is released now. First of all, This is wireless wire. It was released some time ago, but thanks to our software improvements, we have been able to significantly improve this technology. It operates in 60 gigahertz and helps from our software engineers. We have been able to double the distance where we can get full duplex speeds. We have been able to increase the link stability, and also we have been able to add many different features. And about this board, as I said, it operates in 60 gigahertz. 60 gigahertz is great in places where you have overcrowded regular frequencies like 2 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, and in places where you need very high speeds. So this device has very powerful ARM CPU. You can create link for up to 200 meters and more by achieving full duplex 1 gigabit speed. This device comes in kit. There are 2 devices, and both are completely pre-configured. So all you need to do is take them out of the box, plug, and the link will be automatically established. And the price for this model is $198 for 2 devices. We have also made a device which works with the same technology, also on 60 gigahertz. But this one is made for much longer distances. It has our popular LHG design. And with this device, you can very easily get full duplex 1 gigabit speed in distance 1.5 kilometers and more. This device is very light, very easy to mount, and this device has also IPsec security hardware acceleration, so you can get much higher speeds through IPsec tunnel, which gives you extra security. And this also comes in a kit, 2 devices, and the price for 2 is $298. And here you can see our latest 60 gigahertz model. This is called SXT Square Lite 60. This is perfect CPE solution. With this device, you can achieve full duplex speed also in 200 meters without any problems. And this device is very light, it's very thin, so it's also very easy to mount. And you can use it, for example, for point-to-multipoint setups as a client. So if you have any 60 gigahertz access point, you can just plug multiple SXT Square devices, and you will be able to get point-to-multipoint setups. And also the price is very low, $69 for this device. And about the distances, here you can see our distance table. These are distances in point-to-point setups. Of course, you can get higher distances, but the speed will slowly decrease. And as you can see, the better results you can get with LHG devices. Here you can see LTAP Mini. This device is getting very popular in mobile applications, like in cars, in buses, in trains, because it has option to attach LTE interface. It has 2.4 gigahertz wireless radio, and also mini PCI slot for LTE card. So when you attach the LTE card, you will be able to use mobile network. And it also has GPS built inside, and also option to attach any external GPS antenna. And also one nice feature about this device is that it has two SIM card slots, so you can just switch between mobile networks what you want to use. And also this device is weatherproof, so you can mount it outside. And we have two models. One is without LTE module, and also with included LTE module. So here you can see our latest home access point. This is called HPC Square. It has a very nice design, 5 Ethernet ports. It has dual band support, so this means that you can use two wireless interfaces completely separately. It has 5 Ethernet ports, full-size USB slot, so you can also attach external storage and, for example, LTE modem if you want. And you can mount it on the wall or just on the stand. Here you can see the CAP AC. It is a router which uses the same wireless technology as in the previous model, CAP AC Square. So this means that it has also dual band support. This device has 2 Ethernet slots, so you can power some external device with PoE out. It has IPsec hardware acceleration, so you can achieve speeds for up to 424 megabits per second over IPsec tunnel. And also this device comes with 2 case designs. Both are included in the box, so you can just choose which is better for you. So here you can see the mounting. Mounting is very easy. You just screw 3 screws to the metal plate and attach the CAP AC. You can attach it to the wall or to the ceiling. And here you can see the second case design. This is the latest router board from 415 line. This is 415GX4. It has 4-core CPU, a very powerful CPU. Also the same as previous devices, it has IPsec hardware acceleration for extra security. It has PoE out support on either 5 interface. Micro SD card slot, so you can attach some extra storage, and also very wide range of power input. And you can use both power jacks and also the PoE in. This is latest from Hex product line. This is called Hex S. It is first Hex with the SFP interface. It has 2-core CPU, 256 megabytes of RAM, also full-size USB for external storage or LTE modem, and also very wide range of power input. So starting from 10 volts to 57 volts. So you can also easily use with, for example, battery or any other low voltage power source. And it also has AF-AT support. This means that you can power it also from smart PoE switches. And here you can see the mounting. If you want, you can also attach it to the wall. The mounting is very easy. So, this is A6T Square. it has the same design as our 60 gigahertz SXT square model. This is also perfect for CPE. It is very slim, very thin, very light, and the router, of course, is built inside. It has antennas, and the price is very, very low. $39 for this device. And in case if you need, if you don't have regular network, you want to use a mobile network, you can get SXT LTE, which has LTE modem built inside, also 2 SIM slots, 2 Ethernet ports, so one is for PoE in, second for PoE out, and it supports many LTE bands. And the price for this is $129. This is an interesting product. For example, if you have any satellite dish, you can simply attach this LDF to your own satellite dish, and you can create a very long distance wireless link. This device is operating in 2 gigahertz. It has built-in router, built-in antenna, and it's also very small. But with good dish, you can create really long distance links. And also the price is very low for this device. Here you can see some of the latest released switch. This is a 28-port switch. It has 20 SFP ports, 4 combo ports. Combo ports are interesting because combo ports includes 1 Ethernet port and 1 SFP port. And at the same time, you can use 1 port. So for example, if you have connection from the Ethernet and the connection from the SFP interface, in case if one goes down, you can set to automatically switch to the second interface. So that's a nice feature about the combo ports. And also it has 4 SFP plus ports. And of course, dual power supplies for extra safety. This is first device from its kind from the MikroTik. This is very new product. It is called CVDM. This device is very interesting because it allows you to combine existing optical lines into one physical optical line. So with this device, you can significantly improve the capacity of your optical links, and also, of course, reduce the costs because you don't need to create new optical lines. And this device is able to combine 8 optical ports. It is completely passive device, so don't need for any powering. And also you can use it with SFP and SFP plus. And you can create links for up to 40 kilometers. This is latest device which operates in 6 gigahertz. It has a weatherproof case. It has our popular RB912 inside. Also, there's one mini PCI slot in case if you need to add one external wireless interface. And this device comes with license 4, so you can use it as an access point. This product have been waited from our clients a long time. This is 4011. We have two models. One is with rack mount case, and the second one is with wireless interfaces. So it has a very powerful ARM CPU, the same which is built in our 1100 X4 devices. It has one 10 gigabit SFP plus port, IPsec hardware acceleration, and POI out on the last interface on either 10. And the price for the rack mount version is $199, and for the wireless version it's $249. So here you can see the wireless version. It has 4 antennas. 2 of them are operating in 2 gigahertz, and all 4 of them are operating in 5 gigahertz. So with this device you can use channels with up to 160 megahertz, which allows you to achieve data rates for up to 1733 megabits per second in 5 gigahertz and 300 megabits per second in 2 gigahertz. So you can achieve very high speeds with this device. And here you can see our latest LTE card. This one is 4G. It supports speeds for up to 150 megabits per second downlink and 50 megabits per second uplink. And compared to our LTE card, this one has additional LTE bands. And here you can see our first LTE device which has LHG case. So this device is made to be used in really long distances. It has a very good antenna dish with 17 dBi. So this allows you to get very good quality links over the LTE. And also you can get very good speeds for up to 150 megabits per second download, and for upload it's 50 megabits per second. And in Latvia we have tested this device in many different places just to see the real life performance, and the results was very good. Compared to other LTE modems, LTE devices, this one can be used in places where you don't have so good quality signal, and also you can use it in much longer distances. And in case if you need a sector antenna, this device has antenna which covers 120 degrees. It has 12 dBi and 30 dBm output power. So also this results in ability to create long distance links. And as you can see, this device is operating in 2 gigahertz, and it has built-in router inside. Our popular RB911 router. And also it comes with Quick Mount Pro, so you can mount it very easily and quickly. this product is very new from MikroTik. This is our first Powerline product. It has 3 interfaces. One is Ethernet, one is for wireless, and one is for Powerline. So this means that you can plug this device in multiple sockets, and you will be able to use the internet over electrical lines. So devices will automatically detect each other, connect with each other, and everything will be established just automatically. This is also a very new product. This is CRS 305. It's very small. It has 4 SFP Plus interfaces. It has a metallic case, which also acts as a heatsink, and dual DC jacks and PoE in support. And very nice feature about this device is that you can choose which operating system you want to use. You can use routers, and also you can switch to SWOS, which is much more simple, much more easier operating system. And the switching capacity of this device is 82 gigabits per second, so really high switching speeds. And here you will see some products which we will release soon. So first, it's 309. This is 8-port SFP Plus switch. Also, it will have 1 gigabit Ethernet port. And this device is completely silent. It has passive cooling. And also, same as previous model, it will have a dual boot option, so you can choose from the routers or SWOS operating systems. And also it has AFAT support, so you can also power it from smart PoE switches. This product will be the first switch with 40 gigabit QSFP ports. So you can use it with super high speed interfaces. It will also have 24 SFP Plus ports, also Ethernet port and console for management. And of course dual power supplies for extra safety. And this will be our first switch, which will have 10 gigabit Ethernet ports. And also 4 combo ports, so you can just choose from the SFP or Ethernet interfaces. And also, same as previous model, it will have dual power supplies. This switch also have been requested from our clients a lot. It will be our first 48 interface switch, 4 SFP Plus interfaces, and 2 QSFP interfaces for really high speeds. And we'll also have the same design switch, but this one will have also PoE out support on all 48 interfaces. And the PoE interfaces will have the same features as our other models. For example, auto-detecting, many kind of protections, and so on. And also, you will be able to use AFAT output or just switch to low voltage passive PoE mode. And we just have released our first Apple application for rotorless management. So this application have been just released. It will have a very simple, very user-friendly interface. So you can use it very quickly and very easy. It will also have many features which will allow you to configure your router much more faster and much more easier. And here you can see some screenshots of this device. As you can see, it has nice design and the same features as in our routers. So, and in case if you want to test this application, you can just scan this QR code, and you will be able to install and test the first beta versions. Also, a few words about 60 gigahertz. As I said, with software updates, we have been able to significantly improve the 60 gigahertz. Thanks to our software updates, we have been able to dramatically increase the distance. For example, for LHG 60 gigahertz device, you can reach 4 kilometers of distance with very high speeds. We have improved the signal quality, also decreased reconnection times, and increased point-to-multipoint performance. And also we have added different kind of features and monitoring options in our 60 gigahertz devices. So always make sure that you are using the latest versions. As you can see in our 6.42 versions, we have added multiple very important improvements in 60 gigahertz. For example, stability, point-multipoint improvements, some monitoring features, and many more. And also in the latest 6.43 version, we have increased the distance very much, also improved the stability, and added some more monitoring options. So, in case if you have any questions, if you need help, first of all, you can ask your local distributors. You can also take a look at our consultant page, hire a consultant for help. You can use our wiki page, which has all kind of configuration examples and explanations how to use many different features in routers. You can of course write to support with any kind of technical questions. And of course, if you want, you can also get your own certificate from the local training centers. So, after this MikroTik user meeting, all the slides will be uploaded to our MikroTik user meeting page. All the videos will be stored in our YouTube channel. And also the licenses will be sent over email for those who have paid and voucher registrations. So, if you need if you have any kind of technical questions, you can just also come to our table, ask us, give us some ideas about what you would like to see, new features maybe, or something. And